Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to do emojis on PC. And here are the steps to use emojis on a PC. First, turn on your PC and wait until it fully loads to the desktop screen. Then open any text field. This can be in Word, a web browser, chat app, or email. Click where you want to insert an emoji. Place the cursor in the exact spot you want it. Press the Windows key plus period, or Windows key plus semicolon as an alternative shortcut. And on my PC, I did click Windows key plus period. Wait for the emoji panel to appear. It will pop up near your cursor. Browse the emoji categories by clicking the emoji icon. Use the icons at the bottom, like smileys, objects, food, etc. Scroll to find the emoji you want. Use your mouse wheel or trackpad to move through the list. Click on the emoji. So I'll click on grinning face and it will instantly be inserted into your text. Search for an emoji by keyword. Type a word like heart or cat in the panel's search bar. Use skin tone variations. Click and hold certain emojis, or you can type a one letter on the search bar and you will see a provided different skin tone. You can click on it, then click on your chosen emoji. Add multiple emojis. Keep the panel open and click as many as you need. Close the emoji panel. Click outside the panel or press escape to close it. Continue typing your text. Your emojis will stay where you inserted them. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.